Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Dunkin Bacon updated. Start with thin-cut center-cut bacon and a cold skillet to limit curling and ensure even crisping. Cook over medium heat and gently press strips flat with a spatula as needed for uniform contact. Flip every few minutes to brown both sides evenly and watch closely for golden edges. Drain on paper towels to remove excess grease. Make prep simple and efficient so your cooking flow stays calm and focused. Lay strips in a single layer in a cold skillet and avoid overcrowding to maintain even heat circulation. Keep a plate lined with paper towels ready to absorb excess grease when strips are done. Use tongs to flip gently and skim rendered fat as needed to prevent burning and ensure crispness across each slice. This method balances texture and flavor to mimic a Dunkin-style strip without fancy equipment. Begin in a cold skillet for gentle fat rendering, then maintain medium heat to avoid scorching. Flip strips several times so both sides brown evenly and edges become slightly crisp. For consistent results across a batch, transfer cooked strips to a 375 degrees F oven for a few minutes to lock in extra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.